Alrighty, today you're going to be working on a lab identification or lab equipment identification activity. You should be looking at this document here in your packet. You will also need a bucket of equipment from the back of the room. You're going to be doing this activity with your lab group, so the group of 4 you're sitting with. At the back of the room there's a bunch of blue buckets and there's one bucket that's white, but you are going to go grab a blue bucket that looks like this. Okay. As you can see with your instructions, it says here, working with your lab group, identify each of the pieces of lab equipment. Write the letter, the equipment next to the name in the table below. What I'm going to have you do is on here, just write across A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on and so forth as you go across, and those will be the letters that you'll use up top. If you do not write those letters correctly, it will not match up to the answer key that you're going to check at the end of the class. So what you're going to do is in your bucket you have a bunch of equipment. So you have something that looks like this. Maybe you think this is a beaker, so label the letter of this as a beaker on the above chart. You then have this, and just go through the bucket and identify what you think each of these pieces of equipment are. After you do that, you're going to revisit your document and flip to the back side. On the back side, you're going to use the list from part A to fill in the purpose of each of these things. Instead of here writing A, B, C, and D, write the name of the equipment. Okay. After you get this all completed, in the front of the room there'll be an answer key. I want you to go ahead and check your answers. Make sure you write down the correct answers, and then if you got any wrong, revisit your bucket and make sure you know the names of these lab equipment. I'm going to expect you to know these names moving forward, so when I tell you to go grab a beaker, go grab a graduated cylinder, go grab an Erlenmeyer flask, you know what to grab. If you have any questions, please ask the group tables around you or email me. Thank you.